Okay, converting a denary number into hexadecimal. And the first thing you'll probably notice on the right-hand side, I have the 16 times table written out. And that's just, I sometimes prefer to have it written so I can keep track when I do my conversion. You'll see why that's important in a minute. Some of you might be able to just do that in your head, but I'll show you the steps. So we've got 135, which is a denary number. And essentially, you're just going to be dividing it by 16, and you're going to be writing your answer with the remainder. Okay, so if we divide it by 16, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 16s go into 135. So I'll write that down. So that's 8. And then the remainder from 128 is 7. So the answer, 135 in hexadecimal, is 8, 7. Really simple method. I'll do one more with you. So 76. So we're going to do 76 divided by 16. And that is, so how many 16s? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Which gets you to 64. And then that's a remainder of 12. So the answer is 4, 12. Now in hexadecimal, you can't write 12. So thinking back to the equivalent and the letters that we need to be using, it's going to be 4 and 12 is equal to C. So whenever you get a double digit here or a double digit here, you need to just make sure that you are writing the equivalent letter, not the number. Okay, so divide by 16, write the whole number plus the remainder. Simple as that.